Welcome to another video, and let's solve the x in this problem, given that x is a member of positive real number greater than 0. And to do that, from here, I can replace this as 3 raised to power 2x minus 2 raised to power 2x. Then 6 can come here and becomes negative 6 raised to power x equals to 0. And the next step is, if I break 6 down, we have 3 raised to power 2x minus 2 raised to power 2x minus, so we can have it as 3 dot 2, then everything raised to power x equals to 0. And the next thing to do here is, so we can apply the law of exponents in this by distributing the value of the power of x to 3 and 2. Then we have 3 raised to power 2x minus 2 raised to power 2x minus 3 raised to power x dot 2 raised to power x equals to 0. And dot here is multiplications. So the next thing to do as well is, if you have 3 raised to power 2x, considering this a raised to power of b, c, and we can have it as, so a raised to power b all raised to power of c, and we can still have a raised to power c all raised to power b. So by making this like this, we have 3 raised to power of, if I raise it to power x, then everything raised to power 2. So following the law, then we have this as well to be 2 raised to power of x raised to power 2 minus, so this remains 3 raised to power x dot 2 raised to power x equals to 2 equals to 0. Then the next thing is, if I try to divide both sides by 2 raised to power of x all raised to power 2, then we have this as 3 raised to power x. And since for the first one here, since I'm dividing both sides 3 raised to power x and both of them are sharing square, so I will have it like this. Then I will raise both by square, then here it becomes 1, and y for this is minus 3 raised to power x dot 2 raised to power x. So while we divide it by 2 raised to power of x dot 2 raised to power x equals to 0, because 2 raised to power x raised to power 2 can also be 2 raised to power x dot 2 raised to power x, and this cancel. So therefore here for this one, so both of them are sharing power x, so we can have it as 3 over 2 raised to power of x and everything raised to power 2 with this square bracket, then minus, so for this as well we have 3 divided by 2, then we raise both by x minus 1 equals to 0. So the next thing we are going to do here is, so since we have 3 over 2 all raised to power x, we are going to let it to a letter. So assume I choose letter a for this, so where we have 3 over 2 raised to power of x equals to a. So that is, anywhere I see this, we are going to replace it with a. So here we have a raised to power 2 minus a minus 1 equals to 0. And for this, we have already formed a quadratic equations, so which we can compare it with this standard quadratic formula, which says if you have ax squared minus plus bx plus c equals to 0. So x squared here is just like x squared, and a is like x, while c is a constant term. So as the coordinate of a squared, which is a, is 1, so we have b, which is minus 1, and c is minus 1. So for this general quadratic term, so instead of x, so we are going to use a. So for this, and this equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. But looking at this, what I make the solve the formula, so it's still the same thing as this. So it's still appearing here. So just to avoid condition, and I'm going to make the first a here to be like a prime. So just to distinguish between these two. So we have a prime equals to, so the first one is minus 0, which is having minus, and it become plus 1. Then here is the root of, so we have minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 4, and a is 1, and b is minus, c is minus 1, all divided by 2 bracket 1. And here we have a prime equals to 1 plus or minus the square root of, the whole of this is 5 divided by 2. As here we have from the given rules that x is a member of positive real number greater than 0, and so we conclude the value of a to only be 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So if this is the value of a prime, and what we want to get is the value of x, and we have already made an assumption that 3 over x all raised to power over 2 raised to power x equals to a. So we try to replace it. So since along the line I change it to a prime, so we try to use a prime for this, so which is 3 over 2 raised to power x equals to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And on getting here, to have the value of x, so try to bring the power down, and what can make it done is by introducing the natural logarithm to both sides. So we have ln of 3 over 2 raised to power x equals to, here is ln of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. And so for here we take x down, we have ln of 3 over 2 equals to ln of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. To get x, we divide both sides by ln 3 over 2, so which this becomes ln of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and everything divided by ln 3 divided by 2. So which gives the answer, and we can also leave it as, 1 plus root 5 over 2 is a golden ratio, which is 5. So therefore we still have x equals to ln 5 divided by ln of 3 divided by 2, and which gives the answers. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this, and like this video, and see you in the next class.